Welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Mastering PowerPoint 365 Advanced. My name is Kathy Snizaski, and I'm a Microsoft trainer with 25 years experience helping employees be more efficient using Microsoft products. Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful tool for creating presentations, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for users who are comfortable using basic and intermediate features in PowerPoint and want to learn additional features. We'll start with advanced customization options, including printing options, new ribbon groups and tabs, and changing PowerPoint settings. We'll also look at navigating each of the views and using backstage features and versioning. Next, we'll look at advanced editing tools, including autocorrect options, inserting symbols, translating text, and using Paste Special. We'll also insert word art and create slides from a Microsoft Word outline. From there, we'll look at advanced graphic tools. This includes changing text orientation, working with shapes and effects, inserting screenshots, and retouching pictures. We'll also group and ungroup objects using the selection pane and insert 3D models. Then we'll customize table style options, as well as modify and format charts. We'll also insert linked and embedded objects from Excel and Word. Next, we'll discuss ways to add animation to your presentation, including motion paths, and we'll use the animation painter. We'll also insert audio and video files, as well as look at options for recording your own audio. Then we'll move to advanced design options, which include customizing the themes and templates. We'll also add headers and footers and work with design ideas. In our last lessons, we'll look at ways to configure your presentation for delivery, including different presentation modes, bookmarks, slide transitions, slideshow options, and multiple ways to advance your slides. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will know how to use and customize many of the advanced features of PowerPoint and create powerful and dynamic presentations. As you go through this course, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you. The files I'm using in this course are available to download if your platform supports them, so you can do the same activities right along with us.